our V-roid models, hair, face, and expressions, and body setup. And as you can see on the left side here, we have a set tab, which are preset clothing sets. If you'd like to choose from one of these to keep it simple, they have a variety of different options, as you can see. Kind of click on a few. All different kinds of stuff that you could do. But if that's not something you want to do, you can go in and customize it even further by picking a specific top and a specific bottom as well. So I'm going to take those off. And then the top, I think we're going to do this the one. And her under top. That. And then the bottom. Actually, I didn't like any of the pants options, so what I was going to do was go into the socks and put essentially what would be leggings on her. And then for the shoes, I was going to do some Converse because we wanted to kind of give her a laid back kind of a fit and feel. And as you can see, it looks pretty cute as a base already, but not everybody wants black and white for their clothes. So we're going to discuss how to custom make those as well. So let's go into the tops tab. And as you can see on the right hand bar here, we have the waist width. So you can change the waist width of the shirt. And each clothing item has slightly different things. Like some things don't apply, some things do, like the sleeve width, for example, that applies to this particular shirt. The particular cuff tightness does as well. I'm going to make them too tight. And then we got the shoulder slope up by the neck, but that doesn't really do all that much. Now, in order to customize this top, we're going to have to go into the edit texture button. Once V-roid wants to load. Alright, and then you're going to see the custom texture there. I'm going to add a layer on the left hand bar here because we always do that just in case. And then we're going to click on the base color. And you can essentially set the color of whatever you want from here. As you can see, there's all sorts of colors on the color wheel. So that's never an issue, which is really nice. I'm actually trying to decide what color around it. I was actually probably going to customize it further and show you guys in like a speed paint workflow video. So for now, I'm just going to go over the basics. So for now, we'll just make this like a light purple or something like that. Yeah, that works. That's super cute. Shader color. Ooh, that's like really dark. We have some shading on there as well. And then since we're already in the edit outfit tab, we could go over here and click on our other clothing items that are already attached and change those as well if we like. So let's maybe do like some magenta pink high tops. Let's take a color sample from her hair. Yeah, that'd be good. We're gonna sample her hair, and then we're gonna lighten up this shade color a little bit. And then we're gonna pull her up and see how those look. Oh my, okay, so I guess it kept the black and only changed the white part on these particular sneakers. Now, if you want the black part of the sneakers to be a different color, you're gonna have to come over here to the actual texture lab that shows you what the shoe texture looks like and manually paint over said texture in order to get it to be what you want it to be. I'm actually gonna go with like purple for these shoes. Oh, that would be fun. Like a full cat. Darken it up a little bit. Oh, that's so cute. And then it has the pink shading. Oh, I love that. Okay. I'm actually gonna want to change the top to the purple of those shoes because I am really in love with that. Oh, that's cute. And then the shader color. Let's see if we can get it to be that pink. Yep, yeah, we can. All right. Set it up, and then the inner top, I think, should already be a base color of black. Yeah. And then we want her leggings to be black. Now that top, as much as I love it being it is kind of a dark purple instead of a black for like that neck piece there. Trying to decide what I want to do with that. I'm gonna scroll that. And it looks like the top piece over here, like the neck piece, is just this. So I think I'm gonna take an airbrush and actually paint that black, just to show you how that can work. Increase the brush width. A little messy with mouse. I should really be using my drawing pad. In the workflow video, I definitely am going to be using my drawing pad. A lot easier for control than holding and clicking a mouse, but you get the basic idea of it. Pretty simple. It is doable. It just takes more time if you're using a mouse, but it's still fun. See, that's a little messy, but you get the idea. Yeah, but delete that layer. See, that's what that's for. I guess we'll just keep it purple for now, just to keep things simplistic. All right, and that's just like a basic way to set up the outfit. And then once you're done, you click the X, and then you click on all the things that apply. I'm just gonna do everything and say save as new item, so we have that in our inventory. And along with the other values I talked about in my other videos, how you can go over or under by tapping in the bar, the same thing applies here to the clothing as well. So you can really get down and customize how your clothing fit looks on your V-roid model, which is really, really cool. Make sure to always save. Always saving. Yep. It's gonna take a minute. All right. So now we've got our basic custom V-roid avatar. Isn't she cute? And then we're gonna go over to the look tab here. There's a bunch of different things in here. You can have a hair outline if you want a more kind of cartoonistic style. You can change the outline width. Same for the body or any accessories. There's rim lighting, which I don't know if I mess with too much because that adds extra processing to whenever you run your character on YouTube videos or even in VR chat. You got eye alignment, and then you've got boom. which would be for instead of the hair, the bones here are for the outfit or for the body. And for the body, if you want bouncy jiggle physics on your V-roid character, like I have on mine, you're gonna turn this body amplitude up. Let's try 140 for now, because I can't remember what I turned mine to. And then in order to test that, we can go into camera editing mode. And then you could see that by just testing it with some animations of your character walking. If V-roid wants to load something today. All right, we'll go into the pose tab. Walking is generally a good animation for seeing like the bones of anything. So we're turning it to 200 now. And we're going to see the difference from 140 to 200. Prevent excessive shaking during movement. You could definitely see a bit more of like what would be like kind of a natural bounce. Definitely on the character's chest as well now. So it makes it at least a little bit more realistic. See that different poses. I think I might go back and make her top black and then add some sort of color accent on the shirt that is like a custom design of my own. But as you can see, I did fix the hair from last time after messing around with the bones a little bit. It's even an experimental process for me. But other than that, that is the simplest, easiest way to set up your V-roid character. I will now show you how to export here in a minute once my program loads. I am going to temporarily fix that shirt and just make the shirt black while I'm at it. Edit texture. And now in order to export, you're gonna come up here to these like by the camera and 3 dots. You're gonna click the button in the middle and you're gonna click export as VRM. And basically what it's gonna do is it's gonna ask you the name of the author, which would be your name or whatever tag name you're gonna go by for your online presence. Ask you to enter your information and stuff, kind of like linking metadata essentially to it. So click export. It's going to take a second. It wants you to title the avatar as well as giving your contact information and everything else. And another thing, make sure here at the bottom of the VRM settings, you put the redistribution prohibited so no one else could use it unless you're making it as a commission. And then you will have to set who can assign a personality to the avatar or use it and what they can use it for, obviously. And then you've got a spot to put a URL for additional licensing information if you're more of a company or an individual contractor selling custom commissions. And then export. And then you're going to save it. And it's going to be in your whatever folder you have. I have a set folder for my VRMs. And that's pretty much it. Then your V-roid model is done. So now you know the basics. If you'd like to have me continue making mini videos on how to get more in detail with specifics, like how to do makeup or how to color custom nails, or show you how I do more like custom clothing, comment below. Let me know what you think and what you want to see. And I'll see you in the next video.